Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Lamaik. Welcome to today's power yoga session. We've got 10 minutes to activate our whole body, get sweaty, get strengthened, maybe lose some calories. So let's get started. We're going to start today in all fours. Come to all fours, take a couple of breaths. You can move your body slowly, connecting to your mat, connecting to your body. And maybe before you started practicing yoga, you didn't spend so much time on your hands, and that's why we're going to start with some wrist warm-ups. In all fours, turning the fingertips towards the toes, bringing the palms flat on the mat, making sure all our 10 fingers are on the mat, and you can start to move forward and back in circles, strengthening and bringing movement into your wrist, increasing the circulation in your wrist. Invert the direction if you're going in circles. Let's meet back in the center. Bring the back of your palms on the mat. The further away you have them from you, the more the stretch. So for me, I'll bring them close to my knees, turning your elbows to the inner part of your elbows to face the front of your mat. You can move front and back, or left and right, or even make some circles. So move in a direction that suits you, that feels nourishing. And then tuck your feet, your toes under, sit on your toes, and start to make this open and close your fist, just to increase the circulation. And we are having a toe stretch here. Inhale and exhale through the nose, shake your wrists, circle them in one direction, in the other direction. Sit up tall and shake your wrist out. Use your left hand to massage your right wrist, and then right hand to massage your left wrist, and all the while moving your wrist. Now shake it out and let's get moving. So come to tabletop, and we're going to do some mountain climbers. You can do your mountain climbers in tabletop, bringing your knees to your elbows. So moving your hands a little bit to the front, move your shoulder above your hands, and start bringing your knees to your elbows. Breathe. Left knee to left elbow, right knee, right elbow, tucking your belly button. And if you're ready for more, you can come to the top of a plank. Mountain climbers. Inhaling and exhaling, moving up your mountain. 2 more rounds on each side. Last round. And hold in plank. Bring your knees to the mat. Bring your elbows into the mat. Grab your elbows left and right to measure the distance between both elbows. You can interlace your fingers. Stretch your legs. Half plank. Hold here for 3. Keep on breathing. 2, 1. Lift your hands. Bring your elbows back. Come onto your hands and back to your elbows. Last round. Hold again for 3, 2, 1. Bring your knees to the mat. Find child's pose for 2 breaths. Bring your hands onto the mat. Find downward dog. Inhale to make a left step, right step to the front, left step to the front. Bring your feet together and sit down. Find your chair pose. When you are ready, lift your hands all the way up. Interlace your fingers above your head. Make sure you can see your toes. Shift your knee further to the back if you can see your toes. Planting your whole feet, your toes on the mat. Look forward. Inhale to lift up. Bring your hands down to heart center. Breathe. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, fold forward. You have the option to jump back or to walk back. Inhale here. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, bend your knee. Bring your right knee to your right elbow. Hold. Smile. Inhale to lift. Three-legged dog. Exhale. Right knee, left elbow. Twist. Stretch your leg if you want to. Inhale. Lift. Exhale. Right knee, right elbow. Hold. And if you want to bend down. And then come back. Inhale, lift all the way up and bring your feet onto the mat. We'll take a vinyasa here. Inhale to forward, come into plank. Exhale, bend all the way to the mat. Inhale to lift in cobra or upward dog. And exhale, push up into a plank. 2 breaths here. Find your three-legged dog. Bend your knee, left elbow, plank, hold. Inhale to lift up. Left knee, right elbow, plank, hold, and you can stretch with your leg. Inhale to lift up. Left knee, left elbow. And if you want to push up and come back up. Three-legged dog. Vinyasa on the side. Inhale to find a plank. Hold. Exhale, knee, chin and chest on the mat. Inhale, cobra or upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Take a couple of breaths. Move or skip to the top of your mat. Forward fold. Inhale to lift all the way up. Exhale, find your chair. Bring your hands to heart center. Sit in your chair for a couple of breaths. Make sure you can see your toes. Look forward. Inhale. Exhale. Next inhale, come to your toes. And start to bring your hips down. Slowly, controlled, until you're sitting on your toes. This is most relaxing, probably the most relaxing pose of the sequence. Take a couple of breaths. Inhale, lift your hands. Exhale, bring your hands to the mat. Guide yourself to a seat and lift your leg into both pose. Stretch your hands out and breathe. If it's available for you, grab your big toes and open your leg. It's possible that you fall here. If you fall, come back to meet us here. Pulling your chest between your hands, pulling your legs into your hands and pushing your legs away. So we're having a pull and pull move, push and pull movement here. 3, 2, 1. Bring your feet back. Both pose. Then crisscross your legs. Bring your feet onto the mat. Take a couple of breaths. Find a comfortable seat of your choice. And let's breathe. You're welcome to take a Shavasana to end this practice, or a child's pose, or just to sit comfortably. Letting your breath slow down. Letting your body slow down. Breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. And let's take a couple of cleansing breaths. So breathing in through the nose, deep breath in, and through the mouth, side out. One more time. And side out. Open your eyes, inhale to lift your hands all the way up. Exhale, palms touch and come to heart center. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up for you, for showing up on your mat. Thank yourself for working out your body. And if you're up to it, you can still pop this session one more time. And yeah, thank you for practicing with me. The light and the love in me recognizes the light and the love in you. I wish you a beautiful day. Namaste. If you enjoyed today's session, do leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I'd like to know what was your favorite pose from this series. And if you have a pose you wish me to integrate in the series or in my workouts, please do let me know. I'm always happy to hear from you. I wish you a beautiful day and see you next time. Bye-bye.